Looking to update your GPS voice? Let's swap out the voice and upgrade your Waze experience. Celebrity, character, or new language, your navigation is about to evolve. Let's jack in. So let's start by opening the Waze application. Now this is a GPS navigation app that you can find on the Google Play Store. We're going to tap on the three lines in the top left-hand corner. Then we're going to look for settings and tap on it. Next, we're going to look for voice and sound and tap on it. We'll look for current voice and tap on it. Scroll down to see options for language, personality, and celebrity. And if we scroll down further, we're going to see options for learning a new language. Now these are going to include French, Spanish, and Portuguese. So what's cool is if you choose any of these three options, the GPS will speak to you in English, but it'll also teach you the language that you have selected using directions. And the application will also teach you other terminology for each language that is related to navigation or people, places, and things. So this is a quick way to update your GPS voice experience in Waze. Once again, celebrity, character, or new language, either one you choose, this is a way to tweak the mainframe to get a new vibe.